So we're building the metal boxes where the ductwork comes off. It's everything from the emergency drain pan to the supply plenums where supply air is going, and the return where our standard is a 4-inch filter. It's a custom fit, slide in, slide out, and that way you have better filtration for the home. Not all homes are the same, so sometimes we have to customize it, but it also allows us to have a level of quality to our standards. But not only that, obviously bringing it in and building it in-house can save some costs because we're not having to buy it from a dealer that may not be exactly right for that home.